Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use filters and effects in Picsart. So open Picsart, come to this plus icon to start a new project. Alright, so when you come to the plus icon, come to see all over here. Okay, so when you come to see all, basically right now you're going to select the photo that you want to import. Okay, so I'll slowly scroll down till I reach on the photo I want to import. Alright, so I'm scrolling down. Alright, so I'm selecting this photo over here. So I'm going to be adding filters and effects on this photo. So to do that, come to effects over here, which has effects. Then choose from a variety of effects you would wish to add. Okay, you can choose that one there, the Dodger effect. You can come to effects over here, the more effects you can see. You can come to black and white over here, there's that one there. You can come to the blur effects, there's radical blur over there. There's facial blur over there. There's pixels over there. So there's short blur over there. So there are a variety of effects even in colors. There's color splash. So that's how basically you can add filters and effects in Picsart. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please subscribe and like our video. We shall meet in the next video.